Hey there, junior scientists. Have you ever wondered how you can make music with something as simple as water bottles? Grab your scientist hats because today I'm going to show you how the amount of water in a bottle can totally change the way it sounds. Imagine I have 5 bottles all the same shape and size lined up in a row. First, I tap each empty bottle with my spoon. Listen closely. They all kind of sound the same, right? But let's make things interesting. I'm going to pour different amounts of water into each bottle. Just a little in the first one, a bit more in the next, and so on, until the last bottle is almost full. Now it's time for the real experiment. I tap each bottle again, moving from left to right. Did you hear that? The bottles with less water make a high, tinkly sound, while the bottles with more water make a lower, deeper sound. It's almost like playing a water bottle piano. So, what's happening here? When I tap a bottle, it vibrates along with the water inside. If there's lots of water, those vibrations slow down and that makes a lower sound. Less water means the bottle vibrates faster and that makes a higher sound. The pitch, the highness or lowness of the note, depends on how fast those vibrations are. So remember, more water equals a lower pitch, less water equals a higher pitch. Science can sound pretty awesome, right? Try it yourself, just be careful not to splash. Keep experimenting and having fun, scientists. I can't wait to see what you discover next.